overnight I put rice and I've washed it and the water is here. Now I'm just gonna put it inside my bottle from pound shop. I got like five inside and I've even got this to do it. So and after that I will show you how I'm gonna wash my hair and put the rice water, and I will show you as well how to make your own conditioner at home, since everything is natural, so you just want to stick to everything natural things. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm putting my rice water into my bottle. So with this I'm gonna put it, and yeah, gonna put as much as you can. Gonna take it easy. This is really good small. So that's it. That's my rice water. Later I'll show you how it's gonna be applied to my hair. That's my rice water. My rice water I'm using for my hair later. At this point I've fast forwarded my video. I've washed my hair now, so I'm just gonna put my rice water into my hair. Hair shrink because it's I've washed it. So you want to make sure that your hair doesn't have the chemical on it. It doesn't have no chemical. It's being washed properly. So this is my rice water. You can choose like a spray bottle, but I just prefer this kind of bottle to some of my hair. Put as much as I can. This point, because the bottle I was using earlier is a bottle that doesn't have a spray bottle, and the water was all over me, so I'm just gonna use a spray bottle to spray it on my hair now. I want to apply a gentle amount to your hair. I think I have enough now, so I'm gonna massage my hair now. Massage it. And I'm gonna cover my hair with a plastic cap and leave it for like 30 minutes. I will show you what I do next. So this is my remaining rice water. I'm just gonna keep it for next time for the purpose of my hair, because I've got a very short hair and I need my hair to grow fast. I'm just trying out the theory though. Everybody says rice water works. I'm just gonna be trying it like every 2 weeks, maybe clearing my hair, having a wig of my choice, then wash my hair and put this and create my own conditioner. So I'm gonna try it, and if it works I'll let you know. So I'll give you like a 6-month update on my hair if it's work. So next I'll be showing you how to do your own natural conditioner, because after you've used rice water on your hair, that means your hair is already dry already, because it's natural. So you want to use any conditioner of your choice, or better still you can DIY your own conditioner, which is what I'm going to show you now. So for my conditioner, my DIY conditioner, I'll be using natural yogurt, which is natural yogurt from Hasda. Yeah, see, natural yogurt from Hasda. I'll be using honey. You want to use an organic honey, not just just anyone. So I'll be making use of this one. I'll be using extra virgin oil, and I'll be using shea butter. This is all the way from Nigeria, so I'll be using my shea butter. You can't just use your shea butter like that. What you need to do is you have to melt it. So I'll be taking some quantity now, melt it, and taking just 1 spoon of shea butter. Since I'm using extra virgin oil, I'm just gonna put like 4 teaspoons, because my hair is really dry. putting in my honey. Once this one we do. Myself with that, that's what I thought. No, well, I'm just gonna try and use my spray. It has been washed out, have washed out the rice water, so I'm just gonna apply my DIY conditioner, the one I made earlier. So put my I'm gonna be searching it as I'm putting it. I'm gonna make sure the conditioner is all around everywhere in my hair. You want to make sure you massage it everywhere in your hair. At this point, if you go out tangled hair, this is the point you need to make sure you get your comb or your brush in your hair so that it can be detangled. Because the point is with natural hair, you can't really comb it when it's dry. You can comb it, but it will start breaking. But when you have your conditioner on your hair, it's so easy to comb. It's so soft. You can pat into session. I'm just gonna use my brush on mine now so I can be sure I have a tangle free hair before I wash it out. When you're combing your hair, make sure to comb it from the tip all the way to the root, because my hair is not really long. I don't really have a problem with that, but if you've got a very long hair, you want to make sure you're combing it from the tip up to the root, because if you do comb your hair from the root up to the tip, there is a tendency of it breaking and it will damage your hair. So make sure you're combing all the way from the tip of your hair to the root. So if you are combing your hair this way, when you have the conditioner on it, it's so easy for you, because by the time you're rinsing it, you have a very soft hair and tangle free hair. You don't need to worry about it at all. So I'm just gonna comb it all around. I've managed to comb my hair, so I'm just gonna rinse it out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, like my video, and share with your family and friends, because someone might benefit from this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. See you. Bye. So my hair is washed now. It's very soft. And I've got my DIY oil. I normally put on my hair. In this oil, I've got shea butter, mint. I've got extra virgin oil, and I've got a sunflower organic oil. Not sunflower oil, not the one used in cooking. There is this sunflower organic oil. I'm gonna show. So this is the sunflower I normally use. This is you see it? It's the sunflower organic oil I've mixed with my. It's very good, and I've got my extra virgin oil. You can add coconut oil. I'll make a separate video on how you can make a DIY oil for your hair. And be sure to apply it onto my hair. Might be a bit hard to come out because it's got a lot of oil on it. So I'm just gonna put it on my hand and put it on my head. What you want to do is, instead of you getting it into your hair, just go in your scalp as much as you can. And I forgot I put my castor oil on it as well, so that's why I want to make a separate video for you guys, so you can know how to make your own oil for your hair. If you have natural hair, you can relate to need a lot of oil in the hair, so it doesn't keep breaking. You put as much as you can. Right now, my hand is like a lot of oil, but it's good for my hair. Because before you know it is dried up. So. Massage it into your scalp. And that's again, that's my hair routine. If you guys want me to do another video on anything about hair, as you all know, I'm a hairdresser, so anything about hair, you want me to teach you how to braid hair, how to twist hair, how to maintain your hair, how to deep condition your hair, how to treat your hair, just let me know. Take care, bye. See you next time.